Ready to ditch endless phone calls and unlock instant customer connections? Let's dive into Aisensy and build your first WhatsApp Flow chatbot in just a few clicks. Start by logging into your Aisensy account and navigating to the Flow section. In the main menu, this is where the magic happens. Now, click on the Create Flow button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to give your flow name and a brief description. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. You'll now see the Flow Builder. Notice the Start node. This is where your conversation begins. Click on the icon next to the Start node to add your first message. Choose the Send Message option. Type your welcome message, like "Hi there, how can I help you today?" Add some quick reply buttons underneath, such as Track Order, Contact Support, or Browse Products. These will act as initial options for your customers. To add another message based on a button selection, drag a line from the Track Order Quick Reply to another Send Message node. In this new node, type out the automated response related to tracking an order. Aisensy allows you to add many different types of nodes to make the chatbot experience more interactive. Explore options. I collect input to ask for customer details, or AP integration to pull information from other services. Once you're happy with your flow, click the Save button, then activate your flow to make it live on your WhatsApp channel, and that's it. You've successfully built your first WhatsApp Flow chatbot with Aisensy. Now go forth and create amazing conversational experiences for your customers.